Welcome back to the Think Strong Network. You ever have one of those dreams that's so big, so ambitious, you just knew deep down you couldn't possibly do it alone? Well, today we are going to dive right into that. We're talking about the power of we and breaking down the actual blueprint for building a team that can make the impossible, well, possible. And this quote right here, this is the absolute heart of our entire discussion. So if you're a student trying to crush a group project, or maybe you're an entrepreneur building a company from the ground up, a dreamer, an artist. Honestly, if you have a mission that feels bigger than you, this is for you. Let's figure out how you can build your we. So here's our quest for the next few minutes. We're going to unpack this whole journey from me to we. We're going to look at why going it alone just doesn't work, how to actually find the right people to join you, and, the real secrets to unlocking some truly powerful collaboration. All right, let's kick things off with the foundation. Chapter 1 is all about the law of significance. And really, just think about it for a second. The moon landing, the invention of the internet, any massive world-changing achievement, none of it was the work of a single person. It's always a team effort. This little equation right here, it's a total mindset shift. It's all about realizing that the mission, whatever it is always bigger than any one of us. It's that jump from thinking, I can do this, to truly believing we can do this. The best leaders get this. Their main job isn't to be the hero. It's to build and empower the team of heroes. Okay, so if a team is absolutely essential, how in the world do you build the right one? That brings us right into Chapter 2, Finding Your Who. This is where we get a little more strategic. Check this out, because this is a huge pivot in thinking for a lot of people. We're kind of taught to always focus on the how first, right? The business plan, the process, the step-by-step guide. But the most successful people and leaders, they start with who. They find the right people, and then the how just naturally emerges from their collective genius. It's a total game changer. So where do you even begin? It starts with a simple but really honest question. What are your gaps? You have to get real with yourself. What skills, what resources, what perspectives are you missing right now? That right there, that's your starting line for building your team. And once you know what you need, you just start connecting the dots. Who in your world, in your network, has those skills? And hey, this isn't about finding a bunch of people who are just like you. No way. It's about finding people who complement you, who fill in your gaps and challenge you. But listen, skills aren't everything. Not even close. Values are the real glue of a great team. Think about it. You can pretty much teach someone a new skill, but you can't teach them to share your core beliefs. When your team is truly aligned on your values, you can pretty much get through any obstacle that comes your way. All right, now let's flip the script a little bit. It's not just about what you need from your team. In Chapter 3, we're asking a different question. What do you bring to the party? Every single one of us has a unique set of what I like to call personal assets or superpowers. Maybe for you, it's that infectious fire-in-the-belly passion that just keeps everyone going. Or maybe it's your deep well of experience, your giant network of connections, or your crystal-clear vision for what the future could be. The key is to know what your strengths are so you can find your perfect role on the team. Let's do a quick little self-check here. Look at this list. Passion, experience, skills, relationships, vision. Where do you really shine? What's your superpower? I really want to know. Looking at this list, what's the number one asset you bring to a team? Share your strength in the comments below. Let's see what this community is made of. Okay, you've got the right people on the bus. Everyone knows their strengths. Now it's time to really level up. In Chapter 4, we're talking about moving from just simple cooperation to true, powerful collaboration. And trust me, there is a world of difference between these two. Cooperation is about efficiency. You do your part, I'll do mine, like a relay race. But collaboration, oh man, that's about creativity. It's the magic that happens when you create something together that none of you could have ever even dreamed of alone. So how do you get to that magic? Well, this quote absolutely nails it. It all starts with a common agenda. You have to be so crystal clear on the problem you're trying to solve together. That shared purpose, that's the North Star. It's the fuel that drives the entire team forward, all in the same direction. And that brings us to our final, and honestly, one of the most crucial chapters. Building something great is a marathon, not a sprint. And in any marathon, you have to celebrate the milestones. Chapter 5 is all about celebrating your wins. Just think about it for a second. The last time you were part of a winning team, that shared success feeling, it's so powerful. It's not just about a party. It's about building trust, reinforcing your values, and creating unstoppable momentum. Think of a time you were part of a team win. What's one barrier you had to break through to get there? Share that experience below. I'd love to read it. As we start to wrap this up, I just have to give a huge shout out to the Educational Highway for the incredible material that inspired this entire explainer. Just fantastic stuff. So let's end right here. Your mission is too important for a team of one. Your dream is way too big to go it alone. So get out there, find your who, and start building your we today. The world is waiting for what you're going to create together.